We are now going to use the spot healing brush tool. We're going to remove the crease, and we're also going to address a few other issues. The spot healing brush tool automatically samples from the area near where you click or drag, and when you want to heal using a sample of another part of an image, you use the healing brush tool instead. The spot healing brush tool quickly removes blemishes and other imperfections. It samples pixels around the retouched areas and matches the texture, lighting, transparency, and shading of the sampled pixels to the pixels being healed. The spot healing brush is excellent for retouching blemishes and portraits, but also works nicely whenever there's a uniform appearance near areas that you want to retouch. So, zoom in so you can see your image clearly. You can see this crease, and then we're going to select the spot healing brush tool, which is over here. Looks kind of like a little band-aid. There it is. In the options bar, we're going to open the brush pop-up panel. So click here, and the size we want is about 25 pixels, and we want the hardness to be 100%. Make sure content aware is selected right here. You see there's 3 different ones, and we want content aware to be selected. To avoid creating obvious new seams or patterns, we want to paint the spot healing brush closely around the area we're repairing. Don't cover more area than necessary. Make the brush size only slightly larger than the blemish. If the document in the document window, position the healing brush at the top of the crease, and then we're going to drag it down along the crease. If it's easier to repair with multiple shorter strokes, that's okay. As you drag, the stroke at first appears black, but when you release the mouse, the painted area is healed. So you can see, let's drag it down. You see that it's healed. I'm just doing little pieces at a time. And it's healing it as we go. Look at there. Pretty cool. Then let's zoom in so you can see your sky more clearly. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Over here, you see this white. We're going to drag and we're going to get rid of that. And then any other little blemishes that you see, you can click on them. There's little black dots. There's stuff all over the place, and if you just click on a black dot, it fixes it. So go in there and just fix whatever you want to fix. Make it as pristine as you would like till you're satisfied. Let's now save our work. Let's click File and then Save. So we know that we can use a curves adjustment layer instead of washing a photograph to remove discolored components. We talked about that in the last little bit.